Hey guys, I'm Dan from Aussie Arvos. Today I'm going to be walking you through the install and setup of an OCAM awning on my GQ Patrol. So, first things first, we're going to get this awning installed on the Patrol. The awning comes with these brackets, which are stainless, super solid. These mount to the back of the awning here. Now, if you've got an OCAM roof rack like I do, you'll be able to fit these directly to the bolts that are existing in the roof rack, the mounting bolts. If not, I'm sure these are pretty universal. You'll be able to drill whatever roof rack you have to suit your vehicle. Now, the awning has rails to mount it the full length of it, so depending on what vehicle you mount it to, you've got almost endless options. I'm going to mount at the front and the rear of the roof rack here. So to start, I'm going to remove these cover plates, then I'm going to loosen the bolts here, and then I'll show you where we're going to mount it. This is the sort of install you could do on a Friday night after work before you went on a trip. This is great. I've loosened these bolts on the bracket up here, loosened the height adjustment bolts, which has allowed it to drop, and now it's as simple as sliding that into position. I'll drop the bolts back in, do it up, put the awning on, and we're good to go. Of course, mounting those brackets, it does make it very convenient having an OCAM roof rack. Obviously that's why they sell the awning and roof rack as a kit, just bolts right up. Alright, now we're ready to throw the awning on the brackets. So I'm going to start by taking these bolts, they simply slide into the channel. I'm going to put them roughly at about the same distance the brackets are apart. Then Patrick's going to jump in, give me a hand to lift it up, we'll bolt it on and we're ready to hit the road. I reckon that's pretty much where I want it, eh? Yeah. Beautiful. Grab a spanner. We'll do it up, and just like that, ready to hit the road. Alright, now we've got the awning installed on the GQ, I'll show you how to set it up. Yeah, now keep in mind while watching this, we're doing this in a slight breeze, but I'm sure it'll be no match for this baby. If you're setting up your awning by yourself, I find it's best to swing these poles out at the start. That way you're not struggling to try and reach them when you've already got it rolled out. Then it's as simple as unrolling the canvas. There's that breeze. Now these are a telescopic pole. Simple as twist to unlock, slide down, twist them to lock them back up. And the same goes for these support poles. Twist to unlock, slide, pin it, twist it to lock it back up. Beautiful. Now it's as simple as run along the side of the awning here. Take these Velcro straps to your support poles, just like that. Just put a little bit more tension on the support poles, take the slack out of the roof there, and just like that, in under a couple of minutes, I've got myself 2.5 by 3 metres of shade. Now one thing I see a lot of people often forget is these things are like a big sail in the wind, so if there's a slight breeze like there is today and it's starting to pick up a bit, I always chuck the ropes on it. You just never know, because it's always when you walk away 100 metres, a sudden gust will come, like that. So we're just going to chuck some ropes on it, just to be sure. Alright, that's the awning all set up. Now we'll show you guys how to pack it away. Alright, first step, we're going to take off the guy ropes and then we're going to remove the Velcro, pack the legs up, roll it up. Patrick's going to jump in, give me a hand as it is a bit gusty today. Sweet, let's do it. And we'll just lift up a little bit, swing the supports in. There we go. Sit that just like that. Pull down the Velcro support straps and tie that baby up. And just like that. Not even a minute, I reckon. Too easy. Alright, and that's how to install, set up and pack up your new OCAM awning. See you guys out on the tracks.